Stairs are amazing. Look like they've been here for a very long time. That's great. Yeah. Okay. This is going to be slippery, so yeah, it's nice, huh? All the way inside. So just got to be careful here. At least, yeah, we can probably work our way around. I'm just working how to get down there. Well, good morning. So this morning we're in the Blue Mountains in Blackheath, in about 2 hours west of Sydney. It's about 3 degrees. It's absolutely freezing, but we've come to this incredible little canyon with mossy green rocks, the waterfall, some really nice light coming through at the waterfall itself. So we've set up on a portrait here. So what we've got here is a really high dynamic range scene. So we've got some very dark blacks. We've got some light coming in from the top of the canyon as well. Some really nice flow coming through from the river. And I've set up a 5-shot bracketed scene up to 25 seconds. So I'm just taking the last shot right now. Once we get these back into Photoshop, we'll select the best of each shot. I think we can possibly do this in one image. Okay, let's see how this comes out. Check this one out. Hi again. Okay, so I've managed to shimmy around on this rock ledge up here. What I'm going to do is set the camera up just a little bit further in and try and get a shot, because the shot's really quite nice once you sort of move towards the waterfall here. I think it's going to be a nicer sort of angle, so we'll give it a go. Again, I'm not sure if you can even hear me over the roar of this waterfall, but this is just absolutely sensational. I managed to shimmy along the ledge, just up on the rock ledge here, and now I've got a sort of scene where I'm looking down a little bit at this circular pool. The waterfall is coming down through its own sort of gully, and the whole scene just looks incredible. What I'm doing is I'm focusing on the little waterfall that's in front of the pool here. I'm at f9, so everything's going to be nice and sharp. Right now I'm at 30 seconds, but what I'm also going to do is I've spun my polarizer so that I'm actually getting a little bit of reflection off the pool down here, and that's just going to give me just more characteristics. I can actually see straight through. There's some nice stones, so we can see all these stones. What a scene. Incredible. Some mossy rocks. It's just got everything in this waterfall. So I'm gonna put my hat on the right way. Just incredible. I've done both portrait shot and I've done landscape shot here. So we might put both up so you can see both shots. And I've done a few at 30 seconds, and I'm probably going to do a few a little bit quicker shutter speed, just so we can get some characterization in the water itself. So what a scene. Okay, let's get these shots up and check them out. nice little shot right there. Wow. So can you get just there and take a picture?
Yeah, you can go all the way down.
I don't want to go all the way, but if I could get to just like there, that looks amazing, huh? Right out there. Let's have a look. I want to go up that way though. Yeah, okay. No, this is no good. I want to go that way. Can I, oh, that's right. I was going to say, can I pass your camera?
You go first.
Yeah. Well, hi again. So we've just walked down from where the last shot was in the canyon, and hopefully you can hear me okay because there's quite a lot of noise from the waterfall. But we've just come across this amazing cascade which is sort of weaving right and left through the rocks and then carries on down the mountain. I've got these spike-soled shoes on right now, so this is all super slippery around here, but I've managed to sort of scramble across and get up onto this ledge. And what I'm trying to do is just show that leading line of this amazing fall coming through the rock structure here. So what I'm going to do is do a 5-shot bracket sequence. I'm focused fairly close here, and I'm at f9, so it should be good for sharpness. So let's get one in the bag. Check this one out. Hi again. Okay, so I'm crouching down here because there's not a lot of space. So what I've done is that you've just seen that shot in a portrait, a vertical mode. Because it's such a beautiful bowl around this whole area, I've just set the camera up in landscape mode as well. And so I'm still 5-shot bracketing, and the reason I'm 5-shot bracketing is it's quite a high dynamic range, the whole scene. So we've got, again, some very dark darks and some very light lights. So once we get this shot done, we'll put this one up and we can check it out. Well, that's it again for another week. This week was just sensational up at Blackheath in the Blue Mountains, just west of Sydney, a couple hours drive west. Just a sensational place with so many photogenic opportunities down there. The waterfalls were just amazing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the shots, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, do all that stuff, and let me know in the comments what was your favourite shot. I'm always interested to know. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. All the best. Cheers.